Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Suzuki GN125, a motorcycle that continues to uphold its reputation as a reliable, budget-friendly commuter. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy ride or a seasoned rider in need of a fuel-efficient city bike, the GN125 remains a strong contender. A classic that stands the test of time. The Suzuki GN125 has been around for decades, winning the hearts of riders with its simple yet effective design. The 2025 model retains the same classic charm, with a retro-styled fuel tank, chrome accents, and a comfortable upright seating position. While some modern motorcycles chase high-tech features, Suzuki has kept the GN125 true to its roots: affordable, dependable, and easy to maintain. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 GN125 is a 124 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It delivers modest yet efficient performance, producing around 11 horsepower, perfect for urban commuting and short highway stints. The bike's lightweight chassis and smooth 5-speed transmission make it easy to maneuver through traffic. With a fuel efficiency of over 80 miles per gallon, 34 kilometers per liter, it's a great option for budget-conscious riders. Comfort and handling. Suzuki has ensured that the GN125 remains one of the most comfortable entry-level motorcycles. The soft seat cushioning, relaxed handlebar position, and mid-set foot pegs provide a comfortable riding stance for both city commutes and longer weekend rides. Its telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks offer a decent suspension setup, soaking up small bumps effortlessly. Features and practicality. Despite its simplicity, the GN125 comes with essential features, including a clear analog instrument cluster, a reliable electric starter, and a front disc brake for improved stopping power. The bike's lightweight frame, around 108 kilograms or 238 pounds, makes it beginner-friendly and easy to handle in tight spaces. Plus, its large 10-liter fuel tank means fewer trips to the gas station. Pricing and final thoughts. One of the biggest advantages of the 2025 Suzuki GN125 is its affordability. With an estimated price of around $2,500 to $3,000, it remains one of the most cost-effective motorcycles in its category. Whether you're a new rider looking for a simple, hassle-free bike or an experienced motorcyclist in need of a no-nonsense commuter, the GN125 continues to deliver. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Suzuki GN125? Would you consider it for daily commuting? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Turbo Rider for more motorcycle reviews and updates.